Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Honor Magic V2. And let's start with translation. That means you can translate anything from one language to another with Google Assistant, and it will also speak out loudly that translations. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
Zjadłem burgera.
Okay, next one will be on how to count calories in a food. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay, next one will be on how to plan anything in your calendar. Hey Google, remind me to buy 2 burgers in around 15 minutes.
Sure, I'll remind you today at 7:20 a.m.
Next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. Hey Google, where are you?
Peekaboo, I'm over here.
If your Google Assistant is set up for the lock screen and also you have a sound on your phone turned on, you should be able to find it by just listening to the voice of Google Assistant. And the last one will be on how to send messages. And one thing to note here, you can say what should be included in a message. Just pick anyone from your contact list like this. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.